Hi everybody, this is Jeff with Accurate Lock and Hardware, and today I want to show you our GR86 series glass patch lock. G stands for glass, R stands for rabbet or rabbeted edge. We put the rabbet in this lock because when you close this door, this would be the exterior side of an in-swing door. When you close the door, designers, architects, and facility owners or the office space owners do not want anything disrupting the privacy gasketing that's usually on the inside of the stop. So basically, when you close the door, you have a nice clean closure up against the gasketing. So this lock is designed to simply patch onto the glass. This is the typical glass preparation for the GR86. You can see it's a universal cut, so it can handle any function. Typically 1/2-inch thick glass. Again, the lock is just sandwiching on, and we're through bolting and squeezing the lock to the glass. So the 86 in the GR86 model number is because there's an 86 series Mortise lock that's housed inside this patch kit. And that 86 function has many, so this happens to be a storeroom function. Outside always rigid, inside always free. Capable of any US standard mortise cylinder, but we have entrance functions, privacy functions, office functions, entry functions, passage functions. So again, it's the G for glass, R rabbeted 8600 series lock, multiple finishes, multiple lever designs, or can be made to fit other manufacturers' lever designs.